When your car makes noise going over large bumps, it can be more than just a little annoying. It can be an indicator of some underlying issues. Let's troubleshoot some common causes. Suspension components. One of the leading suspects is the suspension. Your car's suspension is designed to absorb the shock from bumps and rough roads. When parts of your suspension wear out, they can make all kinds of noises. Here's a breakdown. 1. Shocks or struts. Worn-out shocks or struts can cause a clunking or banging noise. They're supposed to dampen the movement of your car but can fail over time. 2. Bushings. These rubber or polyurethane parts cushion your suspension components. As they wear out or deteriorate, they can cause a creaking or groaning noise. 3. Control arms and ball joints. These parts keep your wheels aligned with the road. If they become loose or worn, you might hear a rattle or knocking sound. Exhaust system. Sometimes the noise might come from a loose exhaust component. The exhaust system runs from the front to the rear of your car, and any loose part can knock against other parts of the car when you go over bumps. 1. Exhaust hangers. These rubber mounts hold your exhaust in place. If they become weak or break, your exhaust system can move and make noise. 2. Heat shields. These are designed to protect various parts of your car from the high heat of the exhaust system. If they loosen, they can rattle. Rear differential and drive shaft. The rear differential and drive shaft are crucial for transferring power from your engine to the wheels. If these components wear out, they can make noise, especially noticeable over bumps. Trunk and spare tire. Sometimes the noise could be as simple as something loose in your trunk. Check if your spare tire, jack, or any other items are bouncing around back there. Inspection and maintenance observation. Note when and where you hear the noise. Is it only over large bumps, or does it also happen during normal driving? Inspection. Check under your car for any obvious loose parts. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, take it to a mechanic. Replacement. If any part is diagnosed as the culprit, replace it promptly. Ignoring noises can lead to more severe and costly damage later on. Living in Portland, where the rain and occasional potholes can make bumpier roads more common, it's particularly important to keep an eye on these components. Your suspension parts can wear quicker in wet conditions, so regular inspections are a good idea. In any case, addressing the issue sooner rather than later can save you money and stress in the long run. Your car's making noise for a reason, and it's best to find out why before it becomes a more serious problem.